Hi, I am Rahul and I am going to express you the summary of the last lesson. This is the first video for class 12 that I am uploading this chapter from the Flamingo book, first chapter, the last lesson summary. I will also discuss one two important questions from the point of view of exam. Here guys, you have to subscribe my channel to get the latest updates of my all videos which I am going to upload here in my YouTube channel. So I want to tell you guys that here the last lesson, this chapter is related to the people, the villagers who were staying in France, and this is narrated by a boy who is a small boy whose name is French, and he is French boy whose name is French. So he is lazy, but he is sensitive and very good boy. It was the homework given by Mr. Hamel to him, and he was doing delay because he was knowing that Mr. Hamel was very different type of teacher and he has not completed the task which is given by Mr. Hamel, and if he would go there in the school, surely he would be beaten by Mr. Hamel. That's why he was doing delay and he was doing different activities in the way to school. Guys, I want to tell you that what was the matter there. कि after overpowering their districts of Alec and Lorraine in France, there was the rule of German. There was rule of German on the district, or we can say on France, and that's why France was going to be finished from their district, and it was going to be the German language which was going to be taught there in the schools and in the society or in the community. And here Berlin has ordered that Germany had the power now on the France, and that's why German language instead of French language be taught in the schools there. Here French, he hated Mr. Hamel, and he did not like to go to meet him. He did not like to go to attend the class. But when he went to the school, almost at the gate there was notice board, and a little bit crowd was there at the notice board, and which was written there, the notice was there that now there is the end of French language and now German is going to be taught in the school. By listening that, first he became happy because now there is end of Mr. Hamel, who was the teacher of French language. Mr. Hamel, who was very strict teacher, and the teacher of French language who had been teaching there for 40 years. 40 साल से लगातार उस स्कूल में पढ़ाए जा रहे थे, लेकिन जिसको फ्रेंच डिसलाइक करता था, वो उन्हें पसंद नहीं करता था, वो बहुत ही स्ट्रिक्ट टीचर थे, बहुत स्कॉल्ड करते थे होमवर्क्स या बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स याद नहीं करने पे. और उस दिन भी जैसा कि उसको होमवर्क मिला था, टॉपिक मिला था लर्न करने के लिए रिगार्डिंग पार्टिसिपल, और उसने उस टॉपिक को लर्न नहीं किया था. ही हैड नॉट लर्न दैट टॉपिक, दैट्स व्हाई ही वाज गेटिंग फियर एंड ही डिड नॉट लाइक टू जॉइन द क्लास ऑफ मिस्टर हैमल. लेकिन ही कुड फाइंड दैट as I have told you that it was the last day of Mr. Hamel, that he was going to teach the last lesson, last class for all the villagers. They also came to join the class of Mr. Hamel to honor him, to tribute him. And that day Mr. Hamel, he was a little bit sad, a little bit we can say upset, and we could watch the patriotism in the eyes of Mr. Hamel that day. Villagers, they were also full of grief, nostalgia a little bit. The village men attend his last lesson. They are sad and they did not learn their mother tongue French in their childhood. Yeah, they did not care to their mother tongue. French is a little bit shocked to know that it's his last lesson and he does not know French. Now suddenly he gets interested in learning and understand everything taught on that day. He develops an instant liking for the teacher, Mr. Hamel, and respects him for his sincerity and hard work. That day, I have already told you that French did not like Mr. Hamel, but as he came to know that it was the last lesson of Mr. Hamel, and he also became sad, means French became sad, and he also respects him for the sincerity of Mr. Hamel and the hard work that he had been teaching there for 40 years. Guys, he feels sad at departing from him and is ashamed for not being able to recite the lesson of participles. And Mr. Hamill tells them that they all are the fault of not being eager enough to learn. He complained about the mother tongue. He complained to all the villagers. He complained to all the students that they did not care to their mother tongue, and that's why the result is there front of them, that today there is the rule of Germany over France, and German is going to be taught in the schools. So all these things are there. His patriotism is reflected in the eyes for the French language, and we can say that it will help them in getting free from the Germans. He told that when you are going to respect your mother tongue, when you will learn the things of your mother tongue, when you will study your mother tongue, it will help you to getting free from the Germans. And you know that villagers, they also realize the importance of learning their mother tongue, and they regret on the matter what was told by Mr. Hamill. French, in the last, I want to tell you that he feels that it is not possible to take away one's language from a person, and it is natural to each being. May it be the coup of the peasants of French to the Frenchman. Like as we can say that coup is what? For the peasants, coup is the very beginning thing, and same like that French is also the native thing for the Frenchman, so it is impossible to take away from them. So thank you. That it is the summary of the last lesson. Now I want to discuss two questions which are important from the exam point of view. Okay, I hope you have understood this chapter. For better understanding, you have to read the chapter which is available online. So first question I want to discuss: why were the elders of the village sitting in the classroom? As you know that it was the last class of Mr. Hamill, and villagers, they were knowing that now there is the end of French language, and tomorrow onwards there will be the German language come into force, and they have to know, they have to understand, and they are going to be taught in the school the German language. That's why all the villagers, they came in the school to tribute to Mr. Hamill, who had been teaching there for 40 years, and they also came to tribute their own mother tongue, French. Another question I want to discuss with you, that here, what changes did the order from Berlin cause in the school? So the order from Berlin directed schools in the district of Alsace and Lorraine in France to teach German instead of French. So two main characters are here: French, who is a smart and small French little boy who has narrated this story, who has narrated this plot of the story. Mr. Hamill, he is a teacher of French language, and some villagers are also presented there. Guys, I hope you have understood this, and subscribe my channel to get the latest updates of the videos. If any comment there, you can put in the comment box. Thank you.